In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. My dear teachers, friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here to observe Kashmir Day. This day is all about showing support to the people of Kashmir who have been suffering for years. They are fighting to be free and they live in peace. Kashmir is a beautiful place, but sadly, its people has faced a lot of pains. For many years, they have been forced to live in fear because they don't have the freedom to choose, because they don't have the freedom to choose their own future. The United Nations promised that the people of Kashmir would get to decide their future by voting. But this has not happened. The people of Kashmir go through difficult times every day. Many families are broken apart and too many innocent people have lost their lives. But even after all the suffering, they keep hoping for a better, peaceful future. Today, on 5th February, we remind the world that the people of Kashmir deserve their basic right to live peaceful, safety and freedom. Pakistan will always stand with Kashmir and we ask the world to stop the suffering of the Kashmiri people. We also remember and honor those who have lost their lives in the struggle. The bravery will never forgotten. One day, let us promise to keep supporting Kashmir, to speak for their rights and to never forget their struggles. One day, we believe Kashmir will be free and its people will live in peace. Pakistan, Zindabad. Thank you.